Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the latest trends and timeless styles in beauty and fashion. Today's video is all about one of the most versatile and flattering hairstyles out there, the cascade haircut. Whether you're considering a fresh new look or want to learn more about this iconic style, you've come to the right place. Stay tuned as we explore what makes the cascade so special, the trends surrounding it, and how you can make it uniquely yours. Let's start with the basics. The cascade haircut is a multi-layered hairstyle that creates a stunning, dynamic look by gradually shortening the strands of hair. This can be done either toward the face or toward the crown, depending on the desired effect. The beauty of the cascade lies in its universality. It's a hairstyle that suits all hair types and face shapes. But achieving the perfect cascade isn't just about snipping layers, it requires the skilled hands of a professional hairdresser. With the right technique, the cascade can enhance your best features while subtly downplaying any imperfections. One of the standout features of the cascade is how well it pairs with bangs of any length or style. A trendy choice in recent years has been the cascade with curtain bangs, where soft waves elegantly frame the face. This look is not only stylish but also incredibly versatile, fitting seamlessly into both casual and formal settings. On the other hand, a cascade with straight, thick bangs, while slightly dated, can create a bold, dramatic effect that some may find irresistibly chic. It's all about personal preference and the image you want to project. When it comes to trends, the classic cascade is a timeless option. This version is characterized by a smooth and gradual transition in hair length, creating a soft and natural look. To add a modern touch, many hairstylists recommend thinning out the ends for extra texture and movement. If you have long hair, the cascade can be a game changer. For those with fine hair, it adds much needed volume, while for those with overly voluminous hair, it helps to tame and balance the overall look. Essentially, the cascade allows you to customize the silhouette of your hair to suit your style and personality. Bangs can elevate a cascade haircut to the next level. Curtain bangs, for example, create a seamless blend with the layered look, adding a touch of sophistication and charm. For those who prefer a side part, sideways bangs can be a great choice. Modern interpretations ensure that the bangs flow naturally into the cascade, avoiding the overly distinct look that was popular in the early 2000s. Torn bangs and torn layers are another striking option, creating an edgy, contemporary vibe that's perfect for fashion-forward individuals. The cascade haircut also provides a fantastic canvas for creative coloring techniques. Color transitions, such as airdutch and shaddush, beautifully emphasize the varying lengths of the layers, enhancing the hair's natural volume and depth. Airdutch involves subtle highlights achieved by blowing out strands with a hairdryer, while shaddush combines highlights and ombre effects for a soft, gradient look. These coloring methods not only make the cascade more visually stunning but also allow for endless personalization. And that wraps up our deep dive into the cascade haircut. Whether you're drawn to its timeless elegance or its ability to adapt to the latest trends, the cascade truly offers something for everyone. Ready to transform your look with this versatile style? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you team curtain bangs or torn layers? If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and, of course, subscribe to our channel for more tips, trends, and tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Stay fabulous.